Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Firebase passwordless sign-in in Bubble, complete guide step by step clearly. First, open your Bubble application. Navigate to the dashboard of your app. In the left sidebar, find and click on the Settings tab. Once in the Settings menu, look for the General section. Scroll down to find the API Settings area. Locate the Firebase section within the API Settings. You should see options related to Firebase authentication. Find the setting for Passwordless Sign-In. Toggle the switch off to disable Passwordless Sign-In. Next, you might want to remove any related workflows. Go to the Workflow tab in your app. Search for any workflows that utilize Firebase Sign-In. Click on each relevant workflow to edit it. Remove any actions that are tied to Passwordless Sign-In. Now, check your app's login page. Access the page where users sign in. Ensure that the passwordless sign-in buttons or links are removed. Test your app to confirm that passwordless sign-in has been disabled. Finally, review the user experience to ensure everything functions smoothly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.